So in this video, you are going to learn how to deploy your website to a service like Cloudflare, specifically using Cloudflare Pages. And it's fast, free, and it's great for deploying static sites like Astro sites, plain HTML, and even Next.js. So let's dive right in. So you just need three things in order for you to deploy your website to Cloudflare. The first thing is a GitHub account. The second is a Cloudflare account. As you can see, I am already logged in, but you can sign up. It's quite straightforward. And the third thing is your website that you want to deploy. And as you can see, they have tons of features. And to be honest, I haven't used this to host any of my personal projects or any of my clients' projects. But after now, I might consider to move some of my personal application to Cloudflare. So what you have to do is to come right here and click on this add, then you get a drop down. So you can connect a domain directly, you can register a domain from Cloudflare, but this is where we're concerned about. So we have Cloudflare workers and Cloudflare pages. I will try to do a video on Cloudflare workers so that you can understand the difference between the pages and the workers. But for this video, we'll be focusing on these pages. So click on the pages. So as you can see, there are two methods on how to deploy to Cloudflare pages. You can either import from your GitHub, which I highly recommend, or upload your dist folder from your PC. So I'll go with this and click on get started. And as you can see, my GitHub is already connected. So you might be prompted to add your own GitHub account. So these are the projects I have. I will just quickly look for one and deploy quickly. So I'll click on this one, clipboard landing page, then I'll begin setup. So I'll leave this as it is. You can change yours if you want to, and you see the complete URL once you finish putting the name. Then if we scroll down, we can add the frameworks that we use to build the application. In this case, I'm very sure this project is just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So there's no framework. I'll leave it at none. But if you used any framework like Next.js, Servert, or Astro, you can just select them. So I'll leave mine at none. I'll leave this as it is as well. Then you also need to leave these as they are as well. And if you selected any framework and you have environmental variables, you can as well add them here. So I'll just save and deploy. All right, our project has been deployed. So let's quickly preview it. And this is one thing I noticed about Cloudflare. So once you deploy your website, it takes some minutes. I think 5 minutes or more, but I think the maximum limit is 15. So in case if you encounter this error, just leave it for about 5 to 15 minutes and come back, then your website will fully load. So with the power of editing, I will come back after this has been fixed. And while we are still waiting for this to come up, I've noticed that this issue only comes up when I'm deploying directly from my dashboard. If I'm using the CLI, which will use the workers instead of the pages, I don't get this issue. It just works once. So if you want me to do a video about that, just let me know in the comments. All right, so our website has been fully loaded. So I think it took about 8 to 9 minutes ish thereabout, or the website has been loaded. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please do well to like and share the video. Till next time.